we can create a thread, we can start the thread. Means when you are creating a thread, the thread is reaching to the new state, right? That is the first state, a new state. When thread you are calling a start method, that means you are taking out the thread from new state to runnable state. Means that thread is now ready to run. That thread can run. But will that thread run or not? That depends upon the thread scheduler. थ्रेड शेड्यूलर क्या करता है, डिसाइड करता है कि विच थ्रेड इज गोइंग टू रन और हाउ द थ्रेड विल रन. ओके, सो दैट all depends upon the thread scheduler only. We do not have the control, but at certain limit we can set the priority of a thread, that thread scheduler should pick which thread. Okay, कौन सा thread scheduler को pick करना चाहिए, we can just say that. thread scheduler हमारी बात सुनेगा या नहीं, we don't know. ठीक है, but we can give a priority, we can set a priority of thread, just saying that this thread should run first. Okay, so thread priority is like a integer number. ठीक है, so priorities are represented by number from 1 to 10. आप priority set कर सकते हो in the range of 1 to 10 only. तो एक certain limit तक आप thread की priority set करके बता सकते हो कि कौन सा thread पहले रन करना चाहिए. thread scheduler वैसा accordingly react करेगा, but there is no guarantee that the priority you are setting up will act accordingly. ठीक है, but we can set the priority. So every thread has priority. Priorities are represented by number from 1 to 10. Priorities can be set of a thread, but thread scheduler will decide that thread should be picked up or not. So आप priority तो set कर सकते हो, but thread scheduler will decide. Okay, so thread scheduler का जो working mechanism होता है, that is first come first serve टाइप से वर्क करता है. ठीक है, उसको जो पहले मिल गया, दैट विल बी द रिसोर्स, द थ्रेड दैट इज अवेलेबल फॉर नाउ, उसी को उस पर काम पे लगाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि वेट करेगा कि आपने प्रायोरिटी सेट किया है 10 का, 10 मीन्स हाई प्रायोरिटी, 1 मीन्स लो प्रायोरिटी. ठीक है, सो आपने किसी थ्रेड को प्रायोरिटी सेट किया है 10 और मिनिमम प्रायोरिटी थ्रेड अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स वन थ्रेड प्रायोरिटी विच हैव द वैल्यू 1 इज नाउ अवेलेबल एंड थ्रेड 10 इज नॉट अवेलेबल. सो thread scheduler will not wait for thread 10. Okay, that thread scheduler will ask the thread 1 to work. ठीक है, so that means the priority is not सब कुछ, you can only set the priority, but it all depends upon the thread scheduler. So there are the method of the thread scheduler, like the lang class thread class method, that is the get priority. Using this lang package thread class get priority method. Okay, so using this you can get the priority of a thread. ठीक है, obviously the value will be in between from 1 to 10. The range is 1 from 1 to 10. ठीक है, now you can set the also using the set priority method by giving the priority number. ठीक है, and it will throw the exception, illegal argument exception, if priority is set out of range. Okay, so you can give the priority from 1 to 10 only. Okay, priority constant in thread class, that is the there are 3 constant is defined in the thread class, that is the mean priority, so for which the value will be 1, the norm priority, for that value will be 5, max priority the value will be 10. ठीक है, so these are the 3 constant that is defined for the priority: mean priority, norm priority and the max priority. So the value is from 1 to 10, the range is 1 to 10. If multiple threads have same priority, then also thread scheduler will decide. ऐसे क्या होता है कि प्रायोरिटी तो 1 to 10 का ही है, कि मतलब क्या है कि अगर 10 थ्रेड है तो 10 नंबर आप 10 थ्रेड का अलग अलग प्रायोरिटी सेट कर सकते हो. बट लेट्स से देयर आर 20 थ्रेड्स, तो ऑब्वियसली बात है कि 2 थ्रेड का सेम प्रायोरिटी होगा. सो कौन सा थ्रेड पहले रन करेगा वो भी हम नहीं जानते, थ्रेड शेड्यूलर जानता है कि कौन सा थ्रेड रन करेगा. ठीक है, so let's understand the setting this priority with example, that how we can set the thread priority and how we can get. ठीक है, so here you can see that I have created one class thread priority example. Again I am extending the thread class. Okay, it's just my choice right now. I have done this. You can you can use the runnable interface also, not an Means never think like that the task that I am able to do using the thread class, you cannot do that with the reliable interface implementations. Okay, but here I have created a thread class, means created one class extending thread class, and then inside the main method I am creating the object of thread, and then I am calling the start method. Okay. Now inside the run method, I am first I am setting the priority as max priority using the thread dot thread class current thread method, and setting the priority. Priority is the max priority. I can give any other number also in between from 1 to 10, but not out of that. Okay, then thread priority equal to current thread dot get priority. Let's see what will be the output of this program. The output of program should be the 10. Okay, so the thread priority is 10. If I give 8, then what will happen? It will give the priority as 8, thread priority 8. Okay, if I give out of 10, then what will happen? It will give the illegal argument exception. illegal argument exception. ठीक है, सो इंटरव्यू में पूछा जा सकता है, जनरली पूछते नहीं है, बट टू मेक यू कंफ्यूज दैट ओके आई कैन सेट द प्रायोरिटी, आई एम गिविंग द प्रायोरिटी आउट ऑफ 10, देन व्हाट विल हैपन. ठीक है, सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट रेंज इज ऑलवेज इन बिटवीन फ्रॉम 1 to 10. ठीक है, ओके, so this way you can set the priority. Otherwise you can call the thread object set priority method. This is a thread object. Okay, I have created one object thread example, and this is a thread object, and I am calling the set priority method, passing the value 7 and calling the start method. So now when I will try to get the priority, then I will be getting the priority as 7. So thread priority is 7. ठीक है, if I call the set priority method, okay, I am not giving this, I am not setting the priority, then what will be the value? Let's see, thread priority is the 5, so norm priority. Okay, now let me give the priority after the starting. I am giving as 9. Now what should be the output? It should be norm priority. So thread priority is 9. ठीक है, the priority that I have set is coming in the while I am trying to get the priority. So you can set the priority using the set priority method of a thread object, or using the current thread method dot set priority. Okay, so these two way you can set the priority of a thread, but again keep in mind that you cannot control that which thread will run. So this was about the thread priority.